All right. The stream, I think, started. Yes. Welcome to the stream, the 11th stream in the series of building a website builder. My name is Ionel. I'm from Romania, and I started a series where I build a website builder from scratch, similar to Webflow framework, live on YouTube. In case you don't know what a website builder is, let me show you, but I doubt you don't know. It's something similar to what I have right now on the screen. This is a template from dribble.com, where you have the website builder usually has three sections. The middle section where you have the website you are trying to build. Let me adjust the camera a bit. The left section, which is a list of components that you can use to drag on your page, and on the right side you have a list of styles that you can change on the selected element on your page. I have here a bunch of templates I found on Dribble, but they essentially look pretty much the same across the board. The most known ones are Webflow and Framer. And as you can see, they have the same structure as any other website builder. Styles on the left, the page in the middle, and on the right you have almost the same thing. They have a list of components that, or pages in this case. This is the structure of the page, but you get the idea. And in the past 10 streams, I was able to build live this thing right here. I have, let me start from scratch. I can open a template, an HTML page for now. You have the page in the middle. On the right, you have the list of styles that you can use to, well, change the element that you selected. On the left, you have the list of elements on the page. And I also have the list of components that I can use to drag and drop on the page. The idea of the stream is to build a simple website builder that is able to create simple HTML and CSS web pages. In case this finalizes, I will continue and try to build something more complex, like building a website builder that creates React or Angular applications, connects to a database, payments, users, authentication, and all of that good stuff. All right, and to be more specific, in the last stream, I was able to, actually the idea is, the goal here is to build a template that I created in the first stream, so you can go back and watch that. I just asked AI to create a simple HTML template with CSS and HTML. And the goal is to build, hey, my #1 viewer, Subo, welcome back. The goal is to create the same HTML template from scratch, starting from a blank page, using the website builder itself. And in the last stream, I was able to build a part of it. As you can see, I have 2 header sections, I have 2 hero sections, and I tried to build each section one by one, and you will see that these sections duplicated across the page. So the first one is the original one created by AI in the first stream, the same with the hero section, and the next one, the header here is what I created in the last stream, the same with the hero section. Though this section with these 6 cards is built also in the live stream using this website builder, and the original one, this is the original one. It has a lot more interesting text and a bit of a different design, but I didn't have time to make the design the same as the original one. But this is the original one, and this is what I built in the last stream. And in this stream, I'll try to match the original template as much as possible. this how it works section, this was built in the previous stream, and this is copied from, where is it? This is the original one, how it works with these 3 steps and some text, and this is the one I built with a builder. And I think this is where I stopped in the previous stream. And there are a few more sections, like what our customers say, which is the same as the one with the cards. This one has 3 cards. These are testimonials. They also have, the HTML, this HTML template also has a pricing section, another kind of a hero section, but at the bottom, a call to action maybe. Let's call it a call to action, and the footer. So in this stream, this will be 2 hours of streaming because it's the weekend and we have time. Now I will try to match the template as much as possible. So you will see a lot of duplicated sections, and this is why I'm trying to copy the original template. Cool. Let me see. I also created a list of to-do items in the previous stream of the features that I would like to add to this website builder. So I added a width style. This was a long time ago, like I think 2 streams ago, so I can delete it. So this was added in the previous stream. Highlight the selected element from the tree view. This was also added. And these at the bottom, these ones are the things that I want to add next. Not in this stream, or at least maybe some of them in this stream, and the others in the next streams. But before adding these, let's see what if we get any blockers, and if we do, we need to add that functionality or that feature or fix that bug. And to find bugs, we need to continue cloning the original template until we find anything missing from the builder. And I said a few moments ago that I want to match this section with a why choose my builder heading here. And actually the cards, I want to match the cards as close as possible with the original ones, which are these ones. And right off the bat, I can see the original cards don't have any border width. They have a border radius, but no border width. So let's play with this. Let's select each one and remove the border width. And I remember the original one has 8 pixels of border. And already it looks almost similar. The original one has a shadow applied to it. If we inspect the element here with the DevTools provided by the browser, they have a box shadow. If I remove it, the cards, I think they look pretty much the same, right? Let me remove the borders from the other ones. Boom. Border 0, 0, 0, and 0. And let me also increase the border radius to 8 pixels. At this point, I'm doing things manually for each component. I'm doing the same things, so it would be nice to have a multiple component selection feature, so I can select multiple things and change the style once and apply it for each component. So let's see, if I deselect like so, they look pretty much the same. Let's also have the text be the same. So this was drag and drop. Oh, and drop. And drop. Ooh. Oh no. I deleted everything? Alright, so we found our first bug. If I refresh... No. Alright, so pressing delete. Let me try again. So if I write and press delete. Oh, I pressed the combination key for the delete keyword, delete shortcut, and that's why it deleted it. In the IDE, I know why I did this. In the IDE, if I press the delete shortcut, oh, it deletes like the line before. So that was my mistake. Let me add the text back. Actually, can I copy the text? I can copy this one, and I can add a text node right here. No. Oh man. We also need to fix the dragging and dropping, because the highlight doesn't work anymore. So let's see. Oh man, this is going to be tricky. Let me think. I think that drag and drop doesn't work correctly. I can do it like this. I pasted the component afterwards, and I will use the one that was there already as the main heading for the card. Let me paste. Oh, it didn't paste? Let me paste again. Huh. Pasting doesn't work anymore. Not sure what happened. If I double click on it, let me refresh again. Oh, it didn't save. Also, the save doesn't really work correctly. I think I can ignore it for now. Drag and drop editor. And the style was, I forgot, 22 pixels with the color, not border color, background color. The background color doesn't work. Oh, I think there is a bug. Background color. Fix color picker. Yeah, the color pickers don't correctly work anymore. So I need to fix that first. But the font size works. So this was a 22 with font weight bold. And I really want to make the color picker work, so let's fix that first. Oh, so many bugs, so many bugs. If I refresh, everything is still there. All right. Oh, so many logs. Let me remove this log because this is annoying. All right. Let me commit the changes I already have so we don't lose them. This was position and text align. Position plus text align styles. All right. Now let's fix the color picker. And I think the problem is because I'm using a ref in React instead of a use state, and it doesn't know how to render references, the values from the ref. Let's see. Let's go to, what's this? Font size. Wait, the text color works? No, the text color doesn't work. It's 00, background color is 00. The background color is correct, 00. In this case, it works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Maybe I'm not selecting the correct element. Yeah, it has color, it has something, but the text color here, it's not displayed. All right, let's find the text color. All right, the value color here, let's see. We can do something like this. We can JSON stringify it, so we can see it on the screen. RGBA 0000. Okay, it means the script that reads the color from the selected element doesn't really read it correctly. Let's see. It was value grid fonts color styles dot color. Wait a second. Let's use a debugger here and see what's going on. Refresh. Click. So styles dot color. Hey, it has the color. Hello? Let me log the ref. Actually, let me spec the component with the React DevTools. Let me continue this. Click on this properties panel, ref, and it has, where's the color? Color 00. What? Is something 00 in the code? No. So someone sets 00. Styles.color. Let me console log color here. Maybe this function runs a few times. The first iteration it has the correct color, but then it resets to something other than the correct color. Refresh. Console. Click on the component. No, it has the correct color. What? Let me... What? Let me console log the ref then? Oh, this is weird. Color... Styles ref... No. Styles ref dot current dot color 00. Let me refresh again. Nothing, then 00. Huh. Is the styles ref overwritten? Current equals? Values. Your console log automatically puts the arrow. I need to create. Yeah, I created this in the IDE a few years ago, and every time I write console log, actually not console log, just log, tab, test, and then value here. Tab. Sometimes it doesn't work because the value doesn't exist in here in this context, but yeah, it's really nice because I write console logs really fast. Log name user.name. Oh, oops. All right. What's going on with this color? Something is really off here. Let me move the camera a bit lower. Okay. Color. Let me think. Something overrides the color. So let me log the color again. Color 0 here. Values dot color. Refresh. Nothing. Click. What? Values dot color. Values. What is going on here? So the use effect is printing the correct color, but outside the use effect, the color is 00. What? Color. Maybe the onChange is setting the onChange the color. Color and VV. Refresh. Click. No, it doesn't trigger. Okay, that's good. What is going on? What's this? Yeah, what did you do? Let's find some other references for color. No references for color. Color, border color, background color. Whoa. I just found the issue. What is this? What? I think I wrote this, but it's not correct. This should be just styles.background color. Refresh. Boom. Yeah, finally. Whew. What a weird bug. All right. We are back on track. This was... It was easy. It just took time. All right. Let's copy the color from the text here. Let's continue with building this. The goal. Let's not forget the goal. There's also another bug here. As you can see, if I try to... Why did EEST not complain about it? Well, it wasn't invalid code. It was just a double assignment, like A equals B equals 1, 2, 3. So it wasn't invalid. Maybe ESLint should have complained, but again, it's not invalid code. Yeah, it should be an ESLint rule. I don't think I ever did this in a professional setup, like a continuous integration, like assignment like this, equals C equals 1, 2, 3. This is very, very rare. So yeah, there should be a ESLint rule like built in, and never to be changed. The bug I'm trying to mention is, if you take a look at how I try to select this drag and drop editor text, you'll see two borders, gray borders. This shows me what element I'm selecting, and in this case there are two, and I remember I dropped only one text. And the problem is, if I inspect this, the code that makes the text editable creates another div inside the container that has that text, and after I focus out the text editing, it doesn't remove that div. It just keeps the div there, and that's why I now have a div inside the div, and the div inside the inner div has the content editable true. And also, this is the reason when I preview the template in the browser, like so, where is it? This one or this one? Refresh. Yeah, this one. I can just go and and change the text, and this shouldn't be possible. So yeah, this is a bug I need to also fix. But because I know this, I can just select the proper text component, which is the outer one. And this should be, let's change the text color to this. Click outside. All right. Let's go responsive design, custom animations. So responsive design, custom animations, SEO optimized fast loading, SEO optimized fast loading, and premium templates. Oh, I wish premium. The funny thing is, the AI created a template that it's like a presentation website for the website builder. So I'm technically building the presentation website, yeah, of this website builder. Like a funny thing that AI did here. All right, let's. I don't want to write this manually, so I'll just copy it and paste it right here. And yeah, let's do the same for all of them. Copy the text, paste, copy, copy, paste, copy, paste. I'm not sure if I can automate this. Is there a way? Is there an idea we can implement to make these things faster? I mean, this specific step faster. Probably not. I can't come up with an idea. All right. This is what I have right now. Let me click on something outside. All right. This is the why choose my builder thing. And it looks pretty much the same except the box shadow. So let's prompt AI to add a box shadow a style selector. Let me see. Let me commit this. I added fixed text color style. All right, let's prompt AI. Where's my AI? Augment. Show chat. All right, let's try augment. Let's see if this works. So properties panel, add a box, shadow, styles, section / feature, and it should allow me to change the shadow color size. What are the keywords that defines a box shadow? Let's see what the browser gives us. Blah blah blah. What are these? Position X and Y, right? Let's try learn more. Syntax. So color, length, no. Length, no. Is there a way to find, so color, length, style, or whatever this is? Oh, right here. Color, offset, blur, spread, and position. Color, offset, blur, spread. Blur, spread, and position. Position. Something, anything else? No. Let's see if AI is able to create this. It should. And the next thing to do while AI is building that, for this section, I think that's enough. It should be enough. It looks pretty much, oh, where is it? Yeah, this is my section. It looks pretty much the same. The next one is how it works. We have the color. The text is incorrect. Choose a template each one. Actually, no, it's correct. It's pretty much the same, so I can skip this one. Let's build a what our customers say. And I think I will add the feature of duplicating something. This is something you mentioned in the previous stream, so I want to duplicate why choose my builder, because it's the same thing with some minor changes. So let's see, how should this work? I think, yeah, Command or Control D. This is what the IDE has, right? Command or Control D. No. Well, in my case, it's Control or Command Shift D. I'm not sure what VS Code has as a shortcut. I think it's Control or Command D. Or we can use the mouse, like press Control or Command, click on something and drag it. Figma has Control D. Okay, Control D it is. If some other platforms use this, we can have the same thing, so no one gets confused. Let's see if I finished this. Oh wow, it takes some time. It's trying to add maybe a rocket or something. It's just a box shadow. Come on. But I was thinking to also add the key combination Control Command click and then drag it in some other location on the page as a clone. Real-time updates. All right, 200 lines of code. Let's see, refresh. Actually, I don't need to refresh. Click on, whoa, no way. My text. Let's fix the saving. This is the third time I think I got screwed up by this. before that, let's see if the box shadow works. So offset, we don't need offset. Let's play with this one. Ooh, errors. TS, that also works in Figma. Alt drag, I think. Oh, yeah, or that one. We will use the most common shortcuts possible. So yeah, I think they'll be the same thing. Let's see, color color picker. So where is it? Right here. Invalid value px. Why is px sent to a color? Who is sending pixels to a color? Let's see. I can't see. I clicked on what? Let's see. I tried to change. What was it? Oh, I tried to. I think the shadow color is the problem. I clicked on the original card, and then it broke. So the shadow color right here. The shadow color is the box shadow color, which is something defined. I think right here. Parse box shadow. What's this? Whoa. It created a utility function. Oh, parsed box shadow. Let's add a debugger here and see what this thing does. Refresh. Click over. Where is it? Right here. Let's see. So it passes a box shadow value, which is the correct RGBA, which is like a very light black color, like 5% opacity. No X offset, a Y offset from top to bottom, 15 pixels of spread or blur or something, or the other way around. 15 pixels of blur and 0 pixels of spread. Okay, and let's see what this utility function does. If we don't have a value, return something default. We do have a value. Is inset? No. Clean value. A clean value, not sure what's a clean value. Oh, it's using regex to match only the correct box shadow syntax. All right. Color match. Color match. PX. Whoa. No. The regex for color match is not correct. So it tries to match RGB or RGBA. Let's play a bit with this regex. I use this website, regex 101. Paste the regex, how do you guys call it? And let's copy the box shadow value. Copy string contents. Oh, it matches only the PX thing. Why? Regex. Well, it depends on the regex. 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 No, it doesn't sound right. Regex. No. Regex. Regex is alright. It's simpler. Alright, so RGBA. We have RGBA here. Yes, JJJ. Regex, yes. RGBA. Oh man. Debugging this is annoying. Wait, we have AI for this. Let's see. Change, where is it? Fix this regex. To match this box shadow string. Let's see what it does here. If it can't do it, we'll have to do it manually. I can see the issue, that's good, but blah blah blah, let me fix. All right, color at the end of the string, but in your example, wait, what? The current regex expects the color to be at the end of the string. Okay, that's why. Is there such a thing, the color at the end of the string? Let's check MDN again. Box shadow. Oh yeah, it can be at the end of the string. Oh, okay. In this case, whoa, what do you do? Let's see if this works. Where's my... Yeah, it has the color, yeah. Make it so it matches the color no matter where it is in the string. Wait a second, I think it does that already, right? Whoa. What's the... Yeah, I think it does it, so I don't need to prompt it to do it again. Let's see now. Refresh. Do I have the debugger here already? No. Let's click on the... Let's make this smaller. Click on the original card. And we have blur 15 pixels, 5 pixels of Y offset, and the weird color right there. Let's do the same. Should we implement the copy, the style copy right now? How should this work? I want to copy the entire thing. Anything that's related to it's related to the box shadow. But how should we do this? We should have like multiple ways to copy styles. Actually, wait. In the case of the box shadow, it's just one. It's one style. So we should have like some copy button right here that will copy everything. But then we need to implement paste. So the paste should work like right click on the element and paste styles or something like that. Let's see if the box shadow can be added. So 5 pixels of offsets right like so. Blur 15 pixels. And the color is 5% black. Oh, no, 5% black. Is it? Let me also copy the text again. And this is the color color from this. Copy. Oh. Where's my color? Oh, I selected the parent card. That's weird. Not border color. Text color. All right, and this. Text color. Boom. Like so. Let's see. Drag and drop with the box shadow. Drag and drop with the box shadow. I think it's the same. Yeah. Let me do... Should I do it for all of them? I don't think it I think I'll waste too much time. I'll just leave them like this and I'll do it offline. I didn't have time in the past 2 days to do anything offline, so I think maybe because it's the weekend I might have some time to do it. But the good news is that we can skip this section because it got really boring and continue with the next ones. This one. Let's implement copy paste with Control D or Alt drag. Let's see which one it's easier. Let's inspect the code a bit here. This is const. So we remove the EEST error. This looks complex, but good enough. Actually, let's move it outside. Is there an utility? Utils? No, this should be deleted. Lib, builder, style, utils. Get style, get dimension, get original style. What else do we have here? Utils.ts. No, this is useless. Canvas, element, yeah, style utils. This is good enough. let's move it outside. Actually, I think the ID can move it. Move in lib my builder components. Lib builder style utils. Yes. Refactor. Select the constant references yes. Refactor anyway. All right. It didn't move the type. Let me also move the type. I'll do it manually. It's okay. And also export it. All right. And it's used somewhere around here. Import. All right. Why is my window so large? What are these errors? Unused. Unused. Like so? No? Come on. Suppress on the current line. Suppress only. All right. This is not used. No errors. Okay. Let me commit this. This is box shadow style. All right. Cool. Let's now do the copy paste. So Control D. Yeah, let's do it Control D. Implement copy paste functionality using the Control/Command plus D keyboard shortcut. And I think it needs to also read from app.tsx. It should copy the selected element and add the new one below it in the template, right? Yes. Anything else? Let's try it like this for now. I was thinking maybe I want to also add the alt drag functionality, but it might confuse the AI. This is the PHP Storm ID. ID, right? Is this ID? ID, yes. PHP Storm from JetBrains. Right, this you are asking about my ID, right? Let's implement app.tsx handle key down element handlers. Good, it read the correct files. And afterwards we can start continue building this section. We need the font style. We have italic. Yes, we have italic. We have bold. We have everything. The next one, we need to add position absolute, because we don't have position right now, or do we? Let's see, position. Oh, we have position absolute, but we don't have setting the top, left, right, and bottom position. Oh wait, we do have. All right, we have everything actually. That's nice. I think we can build everything in this stream. Yeah. The series will be over. This very stream, possibly. I mean, the first part of the series. The MVP part. Build? Wait, I don't want to build anything. What are you trying to do? Run dev? Come on, no. Just do what I told you to do. Clone. what are we building next? So let's build a game. Oh, I think next, I think I'll continue this builder thing and add more complex things like the ones I added in the to-do list right here, and make it a lot more powerful. And the idea, I think, I want to make it a product, maybe, like have also users and payments, and link it with a backend, have a database, have infrastructure, animations, APIs, endpoints, validations, entities, database models, everything. Alright, so the paste functionality has been added. Let's check the code for 1 second to see if this is correct. So, setup. So it created a setup event element event handlers. The click handler is this one. Click and double click was already here, and I guess it was moved all the way up. Click and double click, and is text editable. It was already here. Why did you move? Handle drop wrapper. Huh? I can't see anything related to cloning here. Double click. Let's check element handlers. Clone element, okay. And where is this used? If the key is D and control or meta key is used and we have a selected element, clone the element. Who's clone? Oh, it's a function that it created. Update child IDs. Oh, with dates. Oh, this is messy, but let's ignore it for now. All right, so we clone the element, we get the parent element, we get the next sibling. If we have the next sibling, we insert it there before the next sibling, so it will be after the selected element but before the next sibling of that element. If we don't have if we don't have a next sibling, this possibly means that the selected element is the last one in the parent. We just append that cloned element in the parent. And some stuff here. Okay, this looks promising. Let's try it. Before I try it, I want to see the saving. Let's try to fix saving next. But before that, let's see if this cloning works. So if I select this, so command click and drop it here. No, it doesn't work. Oh, no, not click and dropping. Command D. It worked. Boom. I have a duplicated section. Bam. Nice. Now, how can I move it down below? I need to move it all the way down here. Before, where is it? Before this one. But I don't have... Can I just... How can I scroll? Oh, I can scroll and drag at the same time? Okay. And drop. It worked? Yes, it worked. Why choose my builder? And if I refresh now, do I have everything saved? Why choose my builder? Why choose my builder? No, dropping doesn't save. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. It's going somewhere. So yeah, let's fix dropping. Dropping doesn't, not dropping, moving elements on the screen doesn't save on the disk. So let's fix that. Because if I move right now, and oh, no, how can I, again, I need to move and scroll at the same time. Wait a second. I could do it. No. I can't do it. How did I do it? No. I cannot scroll anymore. So I click on this, and I think I have a trackpad. I don't have a mouse to scroll. So, and scrolling here is with 2 fingers. But using 2 fingers here, oh, doesn't scroll because I already have 1 finger dragging. But if I use a 3rd finger, it thinks it thinks I'm doing the macOS thing with the 3 fingers, which zooms out every window. But I did it like a few moments ago. I did the scroll thing. Come on, scroll. 4 fingers? 5 fingers? I don't know, something. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let's fix the dropping. So let me commit this. This is okay. Yes, the template is this. Okay. Whoa, everything is in one line. Let me format this. Okay. This is duplicate element feature using Control/Command+D. All right. How did I do it? Let me spend 10 more seconds on this. Do I need to be somewhere? No. Anyways, yeah, I'll just ignore it. Let's fix the saving. So dropping doesn't save. But I need to drop something. Okay. No, I don't like this. I really need to figure this out. So maybe if I... No. I don't know how I did it. Maybe arrow functions? No? Let me zoom out maybe. Zoom out, zoom out. Move it down below. And then zoom back in. Yeah, I need to fix the scrolling. How can I fix the scrolling? Does Framer have a similar thing with duplication? So, not duplication, moving things around. Let's see. If I select this thing and try to move it down, it automatically scrolls if the element is right there. And if I use... How can I move faster than this? Oh, I need to... Yeah, I cannot move faster. So I guess this is a bug from Framer, or I don't know how to use Framer. I want to go down, but faster. Come on, faster, faster. No, scrolling doesn't work. It works with 2 fingers on the trackpad. They also have zooming in and out built in. The same thing I did. But this is not very nice. I mean, it's okay, but I still want to scroll with the fingers while I have the element dragged. Let's see Webflow. So if I have Webflow, I take it and whoa. Now the zoom out animation on macOS works with 1 finger? What? No, What's going on here? No, they don't have. How are people doing this? How can you move things far away? Click and move. Yeah, it's weird. Maybe I don't know how to use Webflow either. Alright, but I figured out how to move it, so let's see why the save doesn't work. So on drop, I need to call the onSave method, the save method. If I refresh right now, everything is in its place. Alright, yes. So let me close everything. Is there a drop thing? Drag and drop. On drop, handle drop wrapper. Handle drop right here. And I don't see this function having using the save HTML file. Let's see the what's a function that saves things. Do we have a save function? Load save, handle clear saved file. No. Handle styles update, maybe? Function to save the current state of the iframe content back to the file using the sanctified. Yes. This is the one I want. The one I have. The one I need. Save HTML content. Yes. Handle style update. This is the one I need to use. So drop. Wait. Function to handle drag and drop of components using the extracted function. Handle drag over wrapper. Yes, this is a drag over thing. But I also saw this one, handle drop wrapper. Why are so many things here? Where is this used? On drop, handle drop. Okay. What's this use effect? Update iframe content when HTML changes and set up drag and drop using extracted functions. Okay. Handle drop wrapper. Oh, I'm stupid. The handle drop wrapper uses the handle drop. No, this is the something outside. No. Oh, handle drag. What's the difference between drag and drag over and drop? Aren't they the same thing? When you do drop, it's like dragging, but the dragging is over. Or maybe drag over, it means drag inside something. Let's see. Handles drag over events for component placement. I think this is for when I drag and drop components from the left panel inside the template. Okay. No, this isn't the thing I want. Yeah, this is the thing I want. Handle drop wrapper. Handle drop events for component placement or element movement. Yes, this is the one I want. Okay, so we need to pass off the save HTML content function right here. So on HTML content change, at the end we need to call this function. Setup event, update the HTML content style. Okay, so instead of on HTML content change, okay, in here we get the content, we set the content, and then I also want to handle style update. Yes. Promise returned, I don't care. Content. Okay, now it should work. Let's see, refresh. Let's move it again. Let's zoom out. Click on the section, move it down below. It was moved, refresh. and boom, it's there. Perfect. Perfect. All right, and the next thing is why weren't the styles saved? Whoa. What's this? Something was weird. I clicked on the elements and the highlighter was weird for a second. But now it's back. All right. So the styles weren't saved when I updated the text here and the content and the color, and now it's not saved. So let's try again. Let's change the color. Let's copy the color here. Text copy, color, text color, paste, refresh. Huh. It doesn't work. But I think the font size works, right? 38 pixels, refresh. Oh, I think I know what the problem is. So this was 22. Come on, 22. Yes. If I change the color and then change the font size change triggers the save, but a color change doesn't trigger the change, the save. Paste. So if I change the font size to something and then back, refresh, yes. So changing the color doesn't work because the color pickers are using ref, the React ref, and not the state. Because saving the file is triggered by the React state changes, and the color picker doesn't trigger the React state change. This is because we have like two ways to save styles. We have this ref here, this big one with everything, and I also have the active inputs thing, which is use state. The text color should be here. It's not. Wait. Now, not text color. The font size. Font size. It's not here. Wait a second. Why is the font size working and not the color? Let's go to font size. Font size. Come on, font size. Font size has on slider change, okay, which somewhere does update style. Okay, that's good. But text color has debounce, all right, and the debounce doesn't have update color, update style. But what does it have? Nothing. How did I change the other colors? I think I did the same thing. I changed the color and then some different style, and it saved everything then afterwards. All right, let's add update styles here. On styles change. Is this it? That's it? On style change, yeah. All right, let's go back now. Click on this. Change the color. Let me copy just to have it in memory. Change the color to something weird. Refresh. And now it works. Great. That one is fixed now. Refresh. Fixed. All right. Good. Where was I? Yes. Building the next section. How it works. Why choose my builder? The next section, this is the original one. This is the original section, how it works. This is the original, what our customers say. Let me copy the text because I don't want to write it. What our customers say, all right. And it has only 3 cards in flex display, I guess, a grid display. Why? Do we need grid for this? Okay, let's do the same thing. Let's remove 3 of them. Delete. Whoa. No. I removed the wrong thing. Refresh. I removed the original one. Let me see if I can get it back. Template. It's fast loading. Yes, right here. All right, it's back. All right, let me be careful. Let me go to my section right here. So we don't need 3 of them. We only need the other ones. We have the 3 of them. Let's copy some text. I think writing text also doesn't work. Paste text, refresh. Yes, pasting text doesn't work. Maybe if I paste text, click on something else, refresh? No. So I need to make what? Debounce saving the text value of the element. Yes. So let me commit this. Let's see. We fixed color change, saving the template when the color changes. Okay. And now what I need to add, when I write something in here, let me prompt AI to do this. Whenever I I edit the text content of the selected element, save the template with a debounce of 500 milliseconds. I should have created a new chat window maybe. That's okay. All right. It's generating. Okay, use double click handler. I guess this is okay. Update the double click handler. Ensure debounce function. Okay. It might create some debounce functions from scratch, even though I think I already have some debounce. If I search the ID debounce, yes, I have a debounce function. Oh, it's not used. Oh no, it was added right now. It's the only one? Debounce. I think it's not the only one. Debounce saved template. Oh, it added multiple ones. Oh, this is use callback. Okay. Properties panel. Debounce color change. Use callback. Wait a second. How is this debouncing anything? Debounce color change. Debounced color change. This doesn't look like anything debouncing. Let's see something else. Debounce save template. This was added right now. Yeah, I thought I had a debounce function. Anyways, it added one. Key features. Yeah, it's okay. Refresh. Let's check the console. So if I change the text, oh, refresh. The scroll was very weird for 1 second. So if I go here and change the text content, whoa, security failed CSS, what? Refresh again? Failed to read CSS rules property from CSS. What did you do? Let's see. Debounce, blah, 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 save template. Why is save template? No. What did you do here? Redraw overlay. So this was the original one. Debounce save template. Which is debounce of save template. No. This is not save template. You should call handle save or something. Where is it? Debounce handles styles up. No. Handle styles update. Yes. Handle styles update. And I don't need save template. Use callback. No. This is not needed. And I need to move this after handle styles update. Right here. And maybe make this using use callback. Is this okay? There are so many spaces. All right, that's better. All right, save. Let's go back, refresh. Cannot access the bounce saved before. Whoa, what? The bounce before initialization. Where is it? Right here. Oh, okay. Let's also move this one below. I think that's better. Refresh? No, cannot access double before. Oh, double. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right here. I think this might not work. Yeah, everything is... let me revert. The order of these functions is really weird. Let me move this maybe all the way up. Handle styles update. Right here, maybe. Like so. No. Let's try again. The bounce save template should be up, but also handle styles update should be up. So it should be right here. Yes, I think so. Refresh. All right, that's good. So if I click, I forgot what's the goal right now. Oh, saving while after I write anything. So if I go here and write, oh come on, cannot access style rules in utils. Error accessing style sheets. But why? What's the difference? Let me comment the debounce function for now. Debounce. Let's refresh and let's see now. Oh wait, the AI introduced a bug in the previous commit. Oh man, I need to figure this out. Okay, let's go and dig up the code. Fix saving the template when the color changes. Let me save these changes. So this might be it might be okay. So let me uncomment it out. Uncomment. All right. Then let me save the data, the changes. Saving while writing. All right. And let's go back in the commit history and revert everything until we get to a working state. We don't have any commits, any changes. Revert, reset, hard reset. Refresh, double click, error. Okay. It was the same commit. All right. Revert the previous one, refresh, double click, error. Okay. Box shadow maybe? Oh wait. Oh crap. I don't have Git. I don't have everything in Git. I reverted. I lost the changes. Oh man. I shouldn't have reverted with hard option. Oh god. What was it? I think it was the box, not the box shadow. Fixing dragging and dropping. Let me check the console. Yeah, I lost the changes. But I think I can keep again everything. No, I lost the changes. Let me think. Can I get them back? Yes, I can, using the history from the IDE. Show project history. Okay. No project history. Show recent changes. No. Local history. Yeah, show history. Git reset. All right. Yes, I want this. Okay. And then I did shelf changes, which had this. But I already... Wait. The shelf changes have only apt.tsx. So... handle styles update. I think I also changed something in properties panel. Let's see, local history, show history, git reset. Oh yes, this one. Okay. Fix saving template. Okay. Anything else? The template. The template also was changed. Show history. Yes, git reset. Revert selected and later changes. Let's get everything. Okay. And drag and drop? Maybe? No. Alright, this was everything. Let's test again. Refresh. So drag and dropping should work. The bug is still there with a style change, but that's okay. Drag and drop doesn't work anymore with the button. Yeah, this one, the moving elements works. So to do this, let me commit these changes. Okay. Saving while writing. Oh, saving while writing doesn't work, right? Refresh. Yeah, it doesn't work because it was added here. Let's unshelve the changes. Refresh. Ah. So I broke it. I cannot change the text anymore. Debounce this thing. Debounce. Debugging. You gotta love it. Refresh. Double click. Okay, so the debounce function has a weird thing going on. Okay. If I change the text size, the font size, refresh. All right. So somehow the save function works in a way. Okay. Let's fix the weird bug with the styles not being correctly loaded. We get the error. Cannot access. Let's check the code manually in git commit in the git log. Let's see. Style utils. This was changed. Parse box shadow. Is it this? Maybe, maybe not. Properties panel. Let's see what is in here. Nothing obvious. Box shadow. Inset. Spread. Okay. Fixed text color. I think everything was all right up to this point. Fixed text color style. Yeah. I need to it's easier to have everything in Git than do the hard revert thing, or maybe I can do it soft so I don't lose anything. Let me commit this. Commit this. And in the log, revert everything up to this point to box shadow style. Revert soft, like so. And then I can manually shelve the changes. Some weird keyword. Refresh, double click. Whoa, it's still there? I didn't see this error before. Let me unshelve. Commit again. Styles fixes. And then go back in the log and maybe let's try to revert everything up until the first commit today. Maybe the box shadow thing is really the issue. Let's go back before it. Revert soft. Shelf changes. BBBBB. Refresh. Double click. It works. Okay. So we have a problem here. Let's see what style utils. What's the problem here? This will throw... Whoa, wait a second. This is the thing I changed. This will throw if the style sheet is cross origin. Did I change anything in the template? I didn't add any styles, any files, any references. But this is the thing I changed. Parse box shadow. Let's try and use this and revert that piece of code. So on shelf, what does it style? Style utils. And this is the thing I changed. Save, refresh, double click. It works. What? Let me comment this, refresh, double click. What is going on here? So having this line fixes the issue. What is going on here? MDN reference. What's this? CSS rules. Baseline widely available. The read-only property CSS returns the CSS rules set. Okay, value. Anything about access? No. Specification. Yeah, this is so weird. So I need to have this here. Okay, I'll just suppress this EEST error here. So this is important. Oh, no. Suppress the error. Oh, this is a TypeScript error? Oh, yes, ignore. And expect error. How can I stop this from showing me a red squiggle line? Include the description after text. But I still have it. Oh, this is ESLint now. Oh, come on. Suppress. Wow. We need this line because actually this will throw if the style sheet is cursor. We need this line because an error is thrown otherwise. Okay. We just lost 15 or 20 minutes of our lives. All right, let's go back. Let me commit this again, just to make sure everything is all right now. app.tsx, that's okay. Fixed styles, loading error. All right, so the problem again is refresh. It works. All right, so the problem again is if I double click on this, change something, click outside, refresh, it doesn't get saved. So I need to add the debounce save template thing back. Let's also uncomment this. Save. Inline the function? No, save. Double click. Change text. Refresh. No. Click outside. Whoa. I clicked outside and it didn't work. Clicked outside. It resets. What is going on here? Handle styles update. No. Okay, I need to dig deeper manually. Let's see. So just return false. I don't know when this message was returned. Oh, you mean just to ignore this? Yeah, let's try. Not sure if this is the correct way to do it. But now I don't have the overlay highlight anymore. What? Wait, I don't have it anyways. Wait, I think this is from this part. All right, let's go back here. Return, false. Whoa. What the hell? Double clicking on this. I'm not sure if it might be from that. Let me revert and see. Double click. Wow, it broke something else. Thank you, AI, for being so awesome. How is this happening now? Wait, what? It removes the styles after I double click on them. Oh, on the selected element. Sometimes? Oh, let me revert this thing maybe. Ah, yeah. Is it from this? Oh, I forgot to return. Oh, come on, return true. Double click. No, it's not from this. Rerun the dev environment. Come on. Ah, yeah. What am I doing wrong? Yes, return true. Let me commit this. And go back and reverse soft reset everything up until the fixed text. No. Yes, this one. Soft fix shelf changes. CCC. Whatever. Refresh. Double click on this. It's still broken. Wow. Okay. Let's see what's in the log. Properties panel. Nothing interesting. This is from the previous stream. Oh, it's because it tries to add the text edit thing inside the element. Ah, so that's the bug. Double clicking adds the text edit, but I don't want to have text edit if the selected element has more elements. I just want to have text edit only if the element has text inside. Right? Yes. All right, let me get my code back. Let me commit it. Fix style loading. I'll just keep the debounce for now. How long is the stream being here? 1 hour and 35 minutes. Oh, I got tired to be honest. Maybe this is a small bug. So double clicking doesn't do the correct thing. This is the double click handler. Maybe it's because I moved it. Well, actually, I didn't move it. I moved handle styles update. So double click handler, text edit handler, yes. Create text edit handler, okay. Let's see what it does. So it creates an element. And I think we can also fix the issue where it doesn't remove the content editable div that it's adding after I focus out of the selected element. So it creates this div, content editable true, with some styles, and then it adds that in the element that I just double clicked on. What's the content for this div? We need the content. Oh, original content. This is the content from the element that I double clicked on. All right, it sets it here. Okay, that's correct. It appends the editable div. It focuses it. Focus the editable div and position the cursor at click location. Okay. What's this? Create a range and position it at the click point. Whatever. All right. Handle key down. Okay. Escape does finish editing. All right. Finish editing. Handle key up. Handle click outside does again finish editing. Key up and down event handlers. Mouse down. Oh, click outside also triggers. Click. Oh, finish editing. All right. And finish editing does what? Removes the event listeners from the editable div. Why do you need to remove the event listeners? I want to remove the entire div. Yeah, this is what I want here. This is okay. This is not what I want. New content, guess the content. Element text content equals new content. Yes. Update the HTML content state. Let's add a debugger here to see if this line element text content equals next new content removes everything and sets the content of the selected element to just text, because right now it doesn't happen like this. It still keeps the div it creates when editing text. Let's see. So debugger, save, refresh, double click on this. Actually no, refresh. Alright, so I don't have anything. I don't have the content editable thing. Double click on this. It adds it. Alright, if I click outside, it kept it. But finish editing didn't trigger. It should be here. Handle click outside. Maybe handle click outside doesn't work. Debugger. Refresh. Alright, again. Double click on this. Click outside. Whoa. Oh, I know why. Because clicking outside is attached to the document. It should have been attached to the iframe. Right? Do I have access to the iframe here? Yes, I do. Iframe document. Or window or something. So this should be iframe document. Add event, yes. And this one iframe document remove event listener. Okay, let's try again. Refresh. Double click. It has the content editable. Click outside. Alright, now it triggers finish editing. Let's go again, inspect this, and boom, it's back. Yes, this is the fix I wanted to have. So right now it removes everything. Not everything, it removes the div that it adds with the content editable attribute. All right, one bug down, 1,000 more to go. Let me fix the double clicking on this. Shouldn't work. So double clicking on an element that has other siblings, other child elements shouldn't work. I only want to click, double click to edit text on elements that have just text. So this H1 is okay. This paragraph is again okay. This A tag again is okay. The parent, it's not okay because it doesn't have text directly. Let's see, how can we do this? If I go on this one, so $0 is the P, right? Yes, the paragraph. If I do $0 text content, yes, this is the text. If I do inner HTML, so the text content and inner HTML is the same, so we can use this. If I go to the parent, text content is this weird thing, and inner HTML is, well, the HTML, so they are very different. So we can say if the text content and inner HTML is different, well, in this case, it means the element has other elements inside. All right, let me remove the debuggers and see. Double clicking, what's this function? Create edit handler. All right, so this is already, oh, is text editable? Let's see. Text editable elements. Okay, that's, so I think AI added this. Text editable elements, div, span, buttons, all right. And I also want to add, is text editable if it's in the list of editable elements and the element that inner text. Is there such a thing as inner text? Inner text. Inner text, inner HTML, and text content. Inner text. Let's try with this one. Inner text. The paragraph inner text is just a simple text. Text content, it's the same thing. Inner HTML, it's also the same thing. Okay. Let's see the parent. The parent has inner text, just the text with some new lines. Okay. Inner HTML contains the HTML, okay, and text content. It also has a lot more tabs and stuff. Okay, let's use inner text. No. Inner text isn't equal element that inner HTML. So if they are different, it means it contains a lot more than expected. Let's see. Double click on this. Oh, come on. What? It shouldn't work. Oh, if they are the same, it's editable. Double click. Yeah, double clicking doesn't work, but double clicking on this works. Let's inspect this. Inspect this. Come on, I want to inspect this paragraph, like so. So this P has content editable. Click outside. And it has just the text. All right. Fix the text editing. Cool. Let me commit this. fixed text editing. All right, where was I? Where was I? Oh, right here with debouncing the text, writing the text, right? So in app.tsx, handle draw, let me console log something, console writing text. Is this called every time I write something? Oh, where's the console? Yes. This is called on every keystroke. Actually, multiple times. Key up and key down. All right. So all I need to do is to call, let's try handle styles update. Oh, handle. No. Yes, handle styles update, which does set HTML content. Oh, it also does a handle draw overlay, so I don't need to call this. Let's see if this works. So if I go change the text here and then refresh, no, it doesn't work. But why? Let me change the text, maybe click outside, refresh. Yes. Let's try again. And then click outside. Clicking outside doesn't really work. I need to click twice. So let me change the text again. Text. Click on why choose my builder heading. It didn't work. It saved the file, but it didn't work. The click dot didn't work. And I guess this is because when it saves the file, I think I clicked again and it worked now. I think it's because it re-renders the HTML and clicking outside doesn't work. Let's see what handle styles update does. Handle draw overlay. Okay. Save HTML content, which does draw overlay function. Oh, this one also does draw overlay, so I don't need to have this. Let's try again. Double click. Text. Click outside. Clicking outside doesn't work. So I need to fix that. But text editing now works. And the bug destroyed the HTML a bit. I have the content editable here, true. Yes. So I need to manually remove these divs that were added in the past. But that's okay. But to be honest, I'm a bit tired right now. It was a nice ride. We fixed some bugs. I wanted to get to this pricing section. This is an interesting one with the position absolute and this pill with the border color with the blue one. This would have been a nice one to build, but in the next stream, 90% tomorrow. And hopefully I will fix some other bugs in the meantime. So yeah, that's it for this ride today. Whew, I need to get some sleep. Okay. The plan, yeah, it's to continue this, finishing this template. It will be the 12th stream, and hopefully the last one for this MVP series. Yeah, nice progress. We fixed some nice bugs here, except the one that in the previous stream destroyed our confidence on dropping elements. If I try to drop this button, I don't have a highlight, so I also need to fix this one. This is a very important one. but it works here. Yeah. All right. That's it for today. Good evening, good morning for whoever has good a morning on their time zone, and see you tomorrow. Thank you, Subo, for watching. My #1 viewer, the best viewer in the world. See you tomorrow. Peace. Can I turn on the music? Oh, thank you very much. I take any feedback about making it even more fun. Programming streams are usually very boring, so anything that I can do to make it even more fun, it's appreciated. It will be awesome to have. All right, ending it here. See ya. Bye.